What's the meaning of calculate? Calculate. Calculate.
Calculate. Calculate. The term calculate refers to the process of using mathematical operations and formulae to obtain a result or solution to a specific problem. The result of a calculation may vary depending on the nature of the problem, but it usually consists of a numerical or mathematical value that represents the solution to the problem at hand. Calculations are widely used in various fields such as engineering, finance, science, and technology to help analysts and experts make informed decisions based on accurate and reliable data. In summary, calculating involves using mathematical methods to derive a result or solution, which can be used for various purposes.